Okay, it's DS Diving Service here. It is February, I believe 8th, it's Thursday. We're at Perfect Remedy. She is going to need a zig on this Mercury 4-stroke motor mount. Let's go take a look at that. In fact, I'm inclined to think all of them are going to need it. I already did one of the vessels, and she needed it as well. So, got her all cleaned up. Paint, yeah, not doing so great. Most of these are going to need paint. There's some paint, but there's a lot missing too. Thank you for choosing DS Diving. I will have